kami Bibi ask pa ba yan?
Get up!
Today's video.
Wait!
We are going to Red Rock Hot Spring. We're gonna take Misiu.
Mommy, look!
Me how?
Mommy, look!
Sounds Chinese.
Baka I will be snake.
Uwaga, you look like a ham. You know, with this strings,
Not snake.
snake. Oh yeah, or crocodile.
Crocodile. There will be the full video of this place. Just gonna take Misiu here. It's like many times we've been here. I think it's not good to go here.
Yeah, we've been here twice, I think. So up and down, I will link the full vlog.
Yeah.
Now we're here just because of Misiu.
Insects, yeah. We've been here like how many times? 100 times. But anyway, it's okay, you know. It's fine. Better if it's raining.
Maybe it will rain later, who knows.
Anton, be careful.
Nurkujemy. 3, 4.
Baka I'm ballerina underwater.
Show me your ballerina.
Co tu się dzieje?
Co się, Kali?
No ale może nogi te...
Telegrafa dostał?
Give me one!
Chodź. O, okej.
How many?
Co zrywaliśmy?
Gława. To jest gława. I Marikar zapragnęła, żeby rybę z tym ugotować.
A,
we got?
this is for the fish, yes?
This is for my fish.
How many we got? 3?
I need 5.
Dodąg tam pomoże.
Mamy super bohatera.
1, 2, 3. 6? 6 osób. 6 person and the big gas tank. Can't fit. Easy.
They're harvesting the Lanzones. It's so alak. Kaya pwede mong
It's what?
Very much. Very much. Kaya pwede mong isa.
No!
Oh.
It's very nice.
Take it and put it to the jeep.
I don't know. Thank you.
Mati, look, Srina, Mati. Look, Mati.
Jest i znany podróżnik. Rozbujałem mostek trochę. I swing the bridge. Nie jest jakiś potężny ten wodospad, ale jest. Trochę wody z niego, trochę wody tu spada. Ale pizga! Pizga dziubaka! A chlapie tą wodą! Chlapie wodą! Wróca w mógł! Nie da się podejść, nie? Come on! Czekaj. Mamy 2 kilo Lanzones, 100 peso.
You just press to open like this. What? Then eat like that.
What's the taste?
Sweet,
Sweet and
sour.
yeah?
Very good.
Juicy.
Yeah, I like it.
I like it too. It's amazing.
Yummy. You buy more.
Will you eat more? Huh?
1 kilo more.
Alex, you bring 1 kilo more.